Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character yīng step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. Yīng Hero Excellent For example, 英明 Wise Brilliant I find him a very wise man. 我发现他是一个很英明的人。A very wise man. 我发现他是一个很英明的人。I find him. 我发现他是一个很英明的人。I find him a very wise man. 我发现他是一个很英明的人。My daily handwriting on the character yīng. Yīng Hero Excellent 英明 Wise Brilliant I find him a very wise man. 我发现他是一个很英明的人。英 Okay, please comment any words or sentence with the character yīng. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.